Hello, and today I'm going to do a vlog. So yeah. So I'm just currently walking Lola at the minute. Yeah. Just currently walking around at the minute. Yeah. Hey, my walkies. Look, it looks beautiful. It's walking off and looks nice. Sky. So just got back from taking Lola for a walk, and I'm about to go down the yard. See my friend. Just got down the yard and I've got fudge in the field. But yeah, goodbye. So I forgot to mention in the video, Fudge went into that field with one horse, and eventually he's going to be going into the main field, but we're just getting used to going into like a little field because he's been in like a field on his own for a bit, and today was his first day going to a field with the horse. But yeah. Fudge is in the field. Fudge is in the field. Good boy. Good boy. So I'm going to make out his stable now. And this is his bed all clean. I've just got to do a little bit more sweeping, but yeah. Just got back from the yard, but yeah. So Callie is just playing with her ball, and Lola's here just chilling. But yeah, so just chilling. I'll take that Callie for in a bit. So I'm just walking down to the pet shop to get Callie weighed. But yeah, so here is Callie. But yeah. So I just got back from the pet shop. I got Callie weighed, but I don't think the scale's quite right because according to themselves she's lost weight, and I don't think that's right because she's grown, so I don't think she should be losing weight. So I don't think them scales are quite right. But yeah, and I'm just chilling. I'm gonna go and see Fudge a bit later. Out in the garden with the dogs. Callie, come here. Callie's on her lead because she sees the school over next door. She jumps the fence, so she's got us on her lead until we get it sorted. So I'm just chilling with Lola here. I've just had a spot of lunch, and then I'm going to head down the yard and see sort of Fudge. So I'm just heading down the yard to sort Fudge out now. So just got down the yard, just got Fudge off the field, and I'm trying to brush him off because it's a bit dirty, as you can see. So I'm going to give him a little brush. So I am just about to go to school and do some long reining with Fudge. So I've just done some long reining. He was a very good boy for that. Wasn't you, Fudge? You're a very good boy. Yeah. So So I just put the fridge out in the field. I forgot to record it, so I didn't record it. Sorry about that. Lola, Lola, Gally, Gally. And now I'm about to get ready because I'm going out for Ethan's birthday meal. So I'm all dressed now, ready for my friend's birthday meal. This is what I'm wearing. So hi guys, I've been back from my friend's birthday meal for about half an hour, 40 minutes. I did record a clip there, but the sound on it wasn't very good. I'm just sitting with Lola. Yeah, the sound of it wasn't very good. So I'm not going to include that. Now I'm just chilling. Yeah, I'm just basically chilling. So yeah, chilling with Kelly and Lola. There you go. We're just chilling, ain't we? Yeah. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed that video, and please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. If you have any video suggestions, comment them down below. Also check out my other channel, Life with Four Pops, my dog channel. I'll put the link in the description. Yes, I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Yes. So I'll see you soon for a brand new video. Bye.